So I am currently at LAX airport on my way to H-Town. A little quality family time. My sister and brother-in-law are in town too, and I'm just really excited. It's Memorial Day weekend and spend a few days at home, work from home, and I'm really excited because it just so happens that the Rockets Game 7 is happening tomorrow night, and I am currently texting a bunch of friends trying to get tickets for my dad, Monica, and me. Obviously, my dad would never get that for himself because he's my father and doesn't spend money on himself. I'm at the United Lounge right now. You guys, I thought I was like getting the best deal ever. I get to the airport trying to like check in, and they're like, there's no flight for you. Turns out it was for yesterday. Yeah, real smart. So here I am, drinking a little Prosecco, as one does. I'm just excited to spend some time at home, hang out with the fam. It's like the older I get, the more and more all I want to do in any free time I have is go home and hang out with my family. Adulting, maybe? Is that what that is? All right, I'm gonna get some work done, and next stop is Houston, Texas, baby. And touchdown, Texas. My mom just texted me saying, don't be mad. We're a little late, but I had to go pee, but I brought you food. I'm like, Mom, calm down. It'll be okay. But they came as a family to come pick me up because I am #high maintenance. Home sweet home. Dinesh is driving. Lonnie's in the front. Yeah. It's a family affair to come pick up Bratty Deepica. Bratty Deepica. It is what it is. What'd you make me?
Lamb curry, chicken keema for you.
Yes.
That is strong.
He doesn't like the smell. He just opened the window.
Oh my god. He doesn't like the smell?
Look at it. He just opened the window.
Oh, I like it. No bones?
No bones.
No bones. Oh yeah. Lamb without bones. Home sweet home.
Perks of brother-in-laws. Yeah, you can carry that back. I appreciate it.
Now we have.
Yeah, no problem, man. This is what I
Now we have a big boy in the home.
Ooh, you're adults with the brand new car. This is what married people do. They get cars.
We get SUVs.
How does it feel?
New.
So the only one who didn't come to the airport to pick me up is my dad because he has to wake up at 2 a.m. to go into work at 4 a.m. But every time I come home, no matter how late it is, I come wake him up because I'm annoying. Oh, nice new Samsung TV. Perks of having Deepica as your daughter. Brand new Samsung TVs. Do you like your new TV, Raj?
Oh, beautiful.
Am I a good daughter? He said excellent. Now I'm gonna let him sleep and be an excellent daughter. So tonight is game 7 and I want to buy them tickets, but nobody will let me buy them. So I have to lie to them and say I'm getting them for free. But I actually really might get a discount. But Mama Pandu says not to take her. This is a once-in-a-lifetime experience, Mom.
Well, oh my God, I never buy $400 a ticket.
When are you gonna start enjoying your life? What's the point of working this hard if it just sits in the bank waiting for your daughter's wedding?
Well, I have another daughter.
I'm eloping, you're fine.
No, I want to do it.
Invite 100 less people and it'll be covered. Just every once in a while you have to enjoy it. You know, I never do it either. That's why I'm guilty. I was just telling her I feel like I'm always working. And the chances of me being home during game 7, I think it's a sign. So today's agenda points. I need to teach you how to upload something on YouTube.
I want to learn that how to upload in the YouTube so I don't have to depend on anybody.
I know, you hate depending. And we need to go walking around the lake.
We'll walk around the neighborhood.
Okay.
Today, not lake. So
and then I need to get nails done. And then you're gonna make me a dosa.
I'll make a dosa. Today breakfast is dosa.
Perfect. How are we gonna convince Dad about this game?
38 of my marriage life, I could not do that. He only do it if kids do it.
I just have to buy them and say it's too late. But it's gonna be such electric energy. Most people go on vacations together. We never do that as a family, ever.
We never did it because you guys are settling in life.
She's literally talking about my entire life until now. So you're not allowed to vacation until you're 30 years old.
No, we went vacation when you were all kids. We went and see so many.
When was our last vacation as a family?
Well, our last vacation we went is India only.
Yep. And then the one before that? India. And then the one before that? India.
Yeah.
India doesn't count.
Not India. No. I'm thinking maybe next trip is going to be a Hawaii.
We have matching muumuus on.
Oh, 90s. Oh, yeah.
Okay, it's time to get up.
Okay, bye.
Why won't my brother-in-law bond with me? Why are you working 12-hour days still, Raj?
I have nothing to do.
How about relaxing? How about going like walks with your wife. And it's my Father's Day gift. Let me give a Father's Day gift. And the fact that I'm in town when it's happening.
Next time you make me football thing too.
My God, I didn't think it would be this easy.
Yeah. I'd love to go there, but you know
You need force, that's the thing. All right, Raj, we gotta get ready. Game 7. That's what you get. Hi.
Make sure you get the Rockets woman behind me.
Oh, namaste. Oh, yeah. After full day of drama, a constant full day of drama.
Let's be specific. Who's drama?
Your drama. You know, it was because of Raj, though. I thought he was gonna be so crazy. He was pumped.
Finally, we are going football game.
Yes. All day she thought we were going to Reliance Stadium and watch a Texans game. We went from no one going to me and Dad going to me, Dad, and Dinesh going to then Dad said, let's everybody go. And now we're all going to the Rockets game and I'm very excited. All right, time to do my makeup. Next stop, not Reliant. Now you got me confused. Next stop, Toyota Center. Game 7, let's go Rockets.
Warriors.
Oh, get out of here. Son is here with her dad and we're about to unite parties together. Just found out Chris Paul is not playing this game. I still have hope. I still have hope. It's fine. Look at this cutie. Hi. You guys, we thought that like the stress of the tickets was over, but now we bought these tickets and my dad just got a free ticket, so now we're like, who are we gonna give the other ticket to? It's never ending. Although I have white shoes on, so I feel kind of cool. Side note. This is dope. Look at H-Town, man. The culture in this city is so dope. We are here. Yes. I spy Shaquille O'Neal. What up, Shaq? Go Rockets, go! I hope they win. They're gonna win. Positive vibes. Chris Paul will cheer from the sidelines. It's all good. We got Barkley right in front of us. Shaquille O'Neal in front of us. Good vibes. I love that. It brings me back, man. Asia royalty. Well, you know, honestly though, could have been worse. It was still fun, right?
Yeah, it's okay.
Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. We may have lost, but we get to go home and eat Indian food.
Y'all may have lost, not me.
He won. He won. He's so happy. He won.
Too soon to make jokes tonight.
I thought today, by the end, Dinesh is going to be long face. We are all
I thought I was going to be pissed off.
But one thing, this is a good experience. I like it.
Mom's packing me chicken curry. She's stressed out because she wants to pack me more food. What are we packing me, Mom?
Supper for you.
Chicken చేసేస్తే అసలు ఇంకా So, Deepica, only thing is you need to have a scissors to cut all this.
I'm back to being 8 years old. Mom's saran wrapping food for me. Monica got sick. How are you feeling, Monster?
Still feeling crap.
Nacho cheese. Not a good
Don't do it.
Don't do it. So Daddy went to work again today, came back, and filmed a video for me because he's the best. And Mommy filmed a video too. Goodnama's on her throne. All hail Queen Padma Sri. Who's on her phone more, me or Mom, Dad?
That's hard to say.
That is very hard. I love how every time I come home, we go as a group to the airport. Literally, I'm going back to LA. I come kind of often.
No, the only thing I don't understand is you got the all day to get ready.
She never asked me anything, but the last minute, Mom, I need you to pack me. I need you to do this.
Then you're like, I want to make you chicken curry.
I feel bad. Once you go there, you act like you don't know anything. But Deepica, I got the peeler now. So the mango peeler, use that.
Okay.
Because when I went last time, there is no peeler in the house. I don't know where to buy. I feel I took mangoes and everything. There is no way I can do it. So with the knife, I did it one by one. Oh my God.
I'm dying. So I'm teaching Mama Pandu Instagram, just taught her YouTube, and now I'm gonna set up Papa Pandu's Instagram handle.
Papa Pandu is driving now.
Papa Pandu is stressed out. Mom, fruits is not a capital thing.
I know, but I put 2 fruits in there.
No, but you could put plural, but it's not capital. I think if I come home once a month, everyone's happy.
Yeah, I think you should. You should plan it because 1 or 2 days you can work from here. That's
Don't
what
let
you
me
plan.
drive 100 miles an hour because you are getting late.
I'm not gonna miss the flight, Dad. I'm not. It's okay. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed Memorial Day weekend at home with the Mutyalas. We had
After
fun.
Monica wedding, this is the first reunion family.
I know. It was
I'm
good.
so happy, whatever it is, Deepika. I'm glad you came.
Okay. Enough of blabbing from us. See you guys next time. Goodbye.